So, of course, you're providing a service doing due diligence, tax returns, and other services to businesses. So, clients are inherently a huge part of chartered accounting. But do you have to attract clients? And if you do, how do you do so?
So, see the way the profession works, or the way we are, we are taught about things. There's a huge thing of ethics in accountancy. Okay, I don't know if you heard of this as a part of the CA profession, but we are having a lot of no's, a lot of don'ts that form part of the profession. We really cannot directly market as the way the profession stands today. So it's the service that we give to the client. Okay, gives that level of delight to our clients as such, and it's the service which should be forming part of how we would really market, or how we would be known by more people around. So, marketing, digital marketing, having our standees somewhere or advertising is a complete no-no. So, it's a very different and smarter way of how you project yourself. Obviously, we would, like any businessman, like any professional, we would want more accounts and clients for us. And while this is a noble profession, somewhere you definitely want situations where you network better, you get to know more people, get them to know about your services, and have them, as additional logos in your portfolio.
So, what you're saying is that kind of your work, like if your service is really good, you're attracting better clients and having those clients kind of almost markets itself and you don't really have to do anything.
So, in a way, yes.
Hmm.
Well, if I may just want to add to that, we land up giving, showcasing our sort of talent, or our the depth of the knowledge that we have in various conferences, various roundtables, various different forums. So our potential customers get to know about us through various channels and aspects, even beyond just the word of mouth. So, that's again a very critical aspect, and who doesn't want more clients, as I mentioned that earlier. So that definitely is a very critical part. And through the journey of, maturing as a chartered accountant or heading some practices, we do have our own set of targets. So we do have business development and targets as a very critical part of, or a very critical KPI, if I may put it that way, for somebody who reaches the level of partnership or something like that.
Understood. And you spoke initially about ethics and then the depth of knowledge. But I wanted to understand as a chartered accountant, do you have a say in the firm's decision making, maybe some ethical decisions, or do you offer some financial strategies?
Certainly, Nivan. So, if you, I don't know if you heard of this concept. You have doctors. Chartered accountants are called the financial doctors of their clients. Okay, so we would want the clients to do the right things financially, and make those decisions in a manner that they plan rather than evade tax, or they don't do anything which is ethically incorrect. Get them on the right path. There are obviously ways and means to achieve the same objectives. Okay, so we do hold our clients from getting as far to do something which is unethical.
Awesome. And when making these decisions, how do you balance being cautionary while also taking possibly high risk, high reward decisions?
So it's a push and pull, Nivan. You obviously have to know your clients well. The moment you know the clients and their psyche well, okay, and you know their numbers, how they've performed, how they've experienced themselves in the past, you actually are able to put the right communication and convey the right messages to them for them to take the right decisions. There are situations and times where clients really don't want to go the path that you are suggesting, and there we as say auditors have an option, to probably put some qualifications or modifications in our report, to put it across to the stakeholders of the company that, hello, here, the client, the company's done something which probably is not the best way to do things. So I'm putting it very lucidly, very easily, but there are options where we stand on the ethical part, on what the norms and the accounting standards, auditing standards guide us to do. and put it in our reporting very clearly that these are aspects where the client is deviated from what it is required to do.